I love all their matching windbreakers.
I know.
That really
pleases me greatly.
That really struck me when I entered.
Like, go off.
No,
Thanks.
it makes me very happy. Okay. Depression roast part 2.
Depression roast.
Okay.
Oh, I should deal with my wounds.
Yeah, you guys should all like disinfect and shit.
Jesus Christ. So where do the disinfectants and stuff go?
I don't know. Check the map.
Downstairs is
No.
the whole clinic. We've just been keeping everything in the clinic.
Thank you, Worms. You are the only one, the only real one here.
Yes. In all these rooms, there's like shit.
Oh, I see. Beta blockers.
Yeah, they make you less panicked.
There's alcohol wipes in here.
Shit.
And adhesive bandages and such. Yeah, let's see how I'm doing. Am I gonna die? Hee hee hoo hoo. Oh, that one's healed.
Oh shit! Bad news, guys.
What?
I accidentally ate the bird.
Just straight up?
Just straight up ate it raw. Accidentally.
Are you gonna die?
I don't know. We'll find out.
You might die.
I might die. I might die. I accidentally ate the bird.
That does happen.
Did you get any like new status ailments?
Not yet.
But yeah, that does happen. You know, I was gonna say that I should probably also log off soon, but I feel like I should stick around for at least long enough to see whether Sev dies of
Okay, hello?
I don't know. Why is there shit all over the floor?
news, guys.
The accidentally bite is like sending me.
I did. I clicked on it to like add some more stuff, and I just clicked the wrong thing, and then I accidentally ate the bird.
You know,
I was trying to add it to a roast, and I ate the bird and said, B, why did you drop all your shit? Never mind. I don't know why I'm asking. So, we're gonna have some, like...
that I did.
Because I know it was you.
But do you know?
Yeah.
What is your proof?
Yeah, so we're gonna have some, like, bean stew. How about that? Bean stew sounds great.
Wow, it just didn't even answer the question.
I really hope you don't die.
Me too. Can you imagine if I died from, like, accidentally fucking...
Giving yourself salmonella.
Better than being murked randomly in the driver's side of a car.
Yeah, that was pretty ridiculous, yeah.
Only mildly so, though.
Yeah. Oh my god.
What do you mean you're dead?
Yeah. Jay saw it. Jay saw it happen. Like
I was stunned.
Yeah.
And then I had to run around the car with zombies approaching to get into the driver's seat. I guess I must have sat on the lap of Sev's dead body. I don't know.
Whatever. Yeah. Whatever was there.
It fits because like you're probably taller than me, so I probably needed the extra boost to reach the pedals.
Okay, well,
Booster seat. Is there bad news?
No.
Say that.
I'm cooking your stew for you. Come to the food department to get your food.
Okay.
Okay.
It's in the oven.
This way.
Who's hungry?
I lead the pack.
It's cooking. Let's all sit and have a moment.
Have a dance party in here.
Yeah! One last dance party before I die. Oh, I'm queasy. Oh, that's not good.
Oh no! Wait, will antibiotics help?
Maybe!
I have them. Here.
Yeah, I don't.
Quickly.
Here, I have them. They're right here.
Quickly.
I put them on my feet.
Okay, I'm taking them. Thank you.
Drink the disinfectant. Do we have bleach?
I almost choked. That was like a bad time to take a sip.
I did that earlier.
I love how we are all like intent on killing each other tonight.
I don't believe I
dies and not even from a fucking zombie bite.
No.
Well,
Wow,
you're.
what the hell are you doing, B?
I don't even remember.
Holy fuck.
What is it?
Oh my good god.
I wish I could tell you.
Ah,
There's too
I-
many dances now.
As do I. Northern Soul Spin. Wow.
Here you go. Come get your soup.
Okay.
I'm
Whatever's
coming.
usually-
Yeah.
Whatever we usually do.
I'll be doing the Northern Soul Spin until you're ready.
There you go. I'm just gonna sit on the ground over here because
Yeah.
I'm queasy and
entertainment.
anxious.
I'm so stressed for you.
I
I
thought-
hope I
I
don't die, Stu! Fresh cooked!
I too would be anxious if I was queasy from fucking uncooked
Eating
food.
a raw bird.
Eating a raw bird.
Entire dead
Accidentally. I even butchered it too. I butchered it correctly. And then I just accidentally ate it like a dumb fuck. God damn it. Let me see.
Definitely are drinking it directly from the pot.
Yep.
Yeah. Beautiful. No bowls.
Oh my god. Can I admin my way out of this?
Oh god. You better go write in your book just in case, hey?
Oh, good call.
God, yeah.
That, yeah. I'm gonna go do that.
I just did that too.
My
In
queasy,
case your dead bird killed me.
my queasy ass gonna go write in my book.
Oh, your
Tummy
diary.
full.
Dear diary.
It's making its way to your system.
Fuck.
Dear God.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm gonna also
my
write in my
God.
book.
Yeah.
Because otherwise I will
Yeah.
forget. Ha, 69 cigarettes, nice.
Nice.
Nice.